Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a user code on Defiant Lock in 2026. So first of all, before adding the user code, you will need the lock's programming code. This particular code is usually printed on the label inside the battery compartment, or it will be included with the lock documentation. So this particular programming code is different from the user code because it is used to manage the lock settings and the access permissions. Now, once you have the code available, what you need to do is you need to simply press hash for at least 1 second. After that, you just have to simply enter your current programming code, or it will be your current master code. So you just have to simply enter it and then you need to press hash. Afterwards, you just have to press 1 and then you need to start entering the new user code over here. Now, once you have entered your new user code, you just have to simply press hash in order to save the changes. So that's how basically you will be able to add the new user code on the Defiant Lock. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.